Gaming session at risk because of the Assembly-Csharp-Editor module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Before we walk through the Assembly-Csharp-Editor module troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Assembly-Csharp-Editor module, a specialized .NET assembly used by the Unity editor to compile game logic scripts. While usually not required for game players, its absence in modding environments prevents developers from compiling custom scripts, citing a scripting engine initialization failure. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The Assembly-Csharp-Editor module DLL library is a specialized component of the Unity engine system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Assembly-Csharp-Editor module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Assembly-Csharp-Editor module DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Assembly-Csharp-Editor module. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Assembly-Csharp-Editor module error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.